Welcome to the official guide on mastering Potter's Prompt AI. Whether you're a newbie or just looking to explore more features, we've got you covered. Starting off, head to our homepage, click on Sign Up and enter your details. If you're already a member, simply log in. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, you can access your account, buy subscription plans or tokens. All the primary features of Potter's Prompt AI. From generating text and images to producing code, select what you need. For this tutorial, let's start with text generation. Now, select either the AI Article Wizard or AI Writer and input your prompt or topic. For instance, benefits of AI in healthcare. The more specific you are, the better the results. Hit generate and watch the magic happen. In seconds, you'll have a comprehensive piece on your chosen topic. Next, let's explore the image generation feature, which has two major powerful model options, DAL E3 and Stable Diffusion to choose from. Input a description, like a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Potter's Prompt AI will craft a visual representation for you. And voila, a stunning image ready to use. One of the standout features of Potter's Prompt AI is our advanced chatbots. These AI-driven assistants can answer queries, guide users, and even assist in sales. Simply input your requirements, and our chatbots will engage with your audience, offering real-time responses and enhancing user experience. Developers, rejoice. Generate code snippets in a snap with our AI code generator. Simply describe your website or app and watch the charm happen. Then iterate and perfect it. Head to the AI voiceover section and bring your content to life with natural-sounding voiceovers, perfect for any project. Choose your voice artist, type or pasty your text, and generate your speech.
Welcome to the official guide on mastering Potter's Prompt AI. Whether you're a newbie or just looking to explore more features, we've got you covered. Starting off, head to our homepage. Click on Sign Up and enter your details.
And that's a wrap. With Potter's Prompt AI, creating top-notch content, images, code, voiceover, and engaging chatbots is a breeze. Dive in, explore, and unleash your creativity. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy creating!